And if you say that you just stop him, use municipal workers to collect, who will collect garbage? Who will sweep the streets? I'll have to divert those workers from door-to-door garbage collection and street sweeping, whatever is there. I'll have to divert those workers on to collect pay parking fees. How it is going to benefit the corporation? Okay, you want me to hire more workers just for pay parking? Then I'll have to have workers in 3 shifts. I have to see that they work only for 8 hours because they'll be municipal employees then. Then three shifts, meaning whatever, say 30 workers multiplied by whatever 3 shifts, and then the 3-year period. Do you see how much outgo will be there? Corporation will bleed only on salaries. Corresponding revenue will not be there only hardly. It will render the whole pay parking process unviable. So just to say that there is a scam, this is all utter rubbish, I would say. No, because I am speaking on the basis of facts. Here, person has deposited the money.
No, they only say is that they have no objection for the pay parking. They say that you have not followed the procedures.
Here, the matter came before the corporation on 27th of January. It is minuted. Minutes were confirmed on 19th of May. He was present for the meeting over there. 19th May minutes were confirmed. 2 objections were noted. 2 objections versus 30, right? So minutes were confirmed, and minutes were confirmed with only 2 suggestions that we need to take care of the citizens, the pension residents who do not have parking facilities for them, and government vehicles which are there. So these 2 things were incorporated in the new tender. So, and what else you want more?
And they were demanding for the draft. This.
See, Baba, see, I'll explain.
Has it come before? The draft, was the draft placed before in the last 10 years?
See, he has not put anything in the council meeting. That is what we are trying to say also now. No. See, the draft, we have taken Uday's draft.
It's the same draft.
It's the same draft. And we have added.
Just 2 additions.
That is it. We have, and in fact, the corporation has made more money and taken more money from the contractor without raising fees. Now, he could easily have raised an objection during his time also. No, why he didn't do it?
More fees.
See, we have proof of everything. And these are 2 files that we have. 2 files after looking for only 1 day. And when he was mayor for 5 years, God knows how many files he must have signed and what other scams he must have think. He is the most corrupt mayor that we've ever seen, and he has no qualms about throwing the people of Pancham under the bus.
So finally,
when parking this tender has been sanctioned by corporation.
See, this was signed. We had taken extension of 6 months. After that, contractor paid all the deposit. It is regularized.
There for 3 years, from 15 to 2020 to 14 to 2023. I'll give you copies of the minutes of the meeting of 27 January when it was discussed, and 19th of May also. You take the copies of the minutes which are signed by the presiding officer, Honorable Mayor. They were circulated to all. So it has come before the corporation. Just to say it has not come before the corporation, it is a blatant lie.
See, this is what he's good at, I'm telling you.
These 6 months, after 6 months, no, you have given corporation.
See, he has already paid the amount. There is no loss to the corporation at all. We have made more money in fact also.
14th of August, the old 6 months extension. Yeah. The new period should start from 15th of August. Tender was opened on 4th of August. So he has deposited security deposit for the period starting from 15th of August. Security deposit, performance guarantee has been, bank guarantee has been deposited for the period from 15th of August. I mean the date the period was of the contract was supposed to start. Plus the security deposit also has been deposited with for that period from 15th August. So that money has been deposited, no? So if I am saying, okay, you wait for this thing, what is that, order to collect it. So 1 month, who will collect the pay parking? I'll have to refund this amount, no? Security deposit I will refund. It will cause a loss to the corporation. I cannot divert workers from solid waste management and city cleanliness to pay parking over there.
See, what commissioner has explained.